Yo, hey guys, welcome back with a new YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how to make the Grimace shake at your house. Now I'm gonna show you the ingredients. First, put a couple blueberries and second, put some strawberries, and then 3 scoops of ice cream, and then milk, and then blend it up, and then whipped cream. We're gonna put some blueberries. Wait, I'm just gonna grab them. Actually, I'm gonna grab all of them. I don't like to grab them. Put some glue. Then beep. This is so hard for me. I wish I could never have a video like this. I already made a video. Now I keep dropping a lot of more. I know I'm not allowed to use YouTube, but I'm just allowed to use YouTube. Okay, then that's it. Then, okay, I just made a big giant mess. I'll clean it up later. Then first, put a lot of 3 scoops of ice cream. I just put the whole thing, and then put a couple of milk, a whole bottle, I guess, or that's it, or I don't know what to do. And then I think we put this like this, or how? Do we use it like this here? I don't know how to do it. Okay, now I figured it out. I hope I don't mess this up. Like that. Then that's it, or more. And that's it, I think. I'm gonna put this here, and then put my hands are so slippery. My hands are so slippery. I need paper. But I think this is wait. I figured it out. Okay. Let me think. I don't know what time to stop. No. And then that's it. Then put a little bit whipped cream. Then that's it. Then where's it? Wait. I'm doing it so wrong. Where's the? I think it's like then. Tastes good. Happy birthday, Grimace. Tastes good. Tastes so good. Okay, good. I hope Grimace do not come to my home. Guys, and you see him in front of my TV just comments, right? Comments the video, okay? And just tell me, okay? And then he was right behind me the whole time. Tell me. Because I'm gonna have a boxing match with him. And that's it. Bye, guys.